Hello dear students, welcome to course on differential equations. So till now we have seen what are differential equation, how to find order and degree of differential equation, then how to form the differential equation, and from this video onwards we will see different methods to find out solution of a differential equation. Now first let us understand what is meant by solution of a differential equation. Okay, now solution to the differential equation, it is nothing but a relation of different variables of differential equation. It is nothing but what? Relation between different variables of differential equation. For example, we have solved, we have formed the differential equation. हमने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल देखा था डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जिसमें हमने फॉर्म की थी ऑफ सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. ओके, वी हैव टॉक ऑफ सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. सो व्हाट वाज दैट relation? X is equal to a cos nt plus alpha. Is it right? Okay, the differential equation which we have got, which we have formed, it was what? D square x upon dt square plus n square x is equal to 0. Right, now from this equation we have derived this. Okay, so x which is equal to a cos nt plus alpha is the solution of differential equation d square x upon dt square plus n square x which is equal to 0. Okay, see what are the variables here. X is the first variable, second variable is t. So this equation, it explains what? It gives what? A relation between variables x and t. Is it right? Okay, so what do you mean by a solution to a differential equation in a simple language? It is nothing but relationship between different variables of differential equation. That is the simplest meaning. Now when we talk of a solution, generally you will get two types of solution. Solution of differential equation, these are of two types. The first one is, it is called as general or complete solution. Okay, and second type is particular solution. Okay, solution जो होते हैं differential equation, those are of two type. One is general or complete solution and second is particular solution. Okay, एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं फिर से. A differential equation d square x upon dt square plus n square x which is equal to 0. The solution of this differential equation is what? X is equal to a cos nt plus alpha. Okay, बात करेंगे कि जनरल या फिर कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन हम किसे कहेंगे. Okay, if number of variables is equal to order of differential equation, in such case you always get complete solution. Okay, ये एग्जांपल की बात करेंगे. Okay, what is a number of variables? What are the number of variables? कितने variables है? x और t है, कितने हो गए? 2. What is order of this differential equation? Order क्या है इसकी? Okay, what is the highest derivative? Highest derivative is what? D square x upon dt square. So order कितनी होंगी 2. So as number of variable is equal to order of differential equation, we can say therefore x, which is equal to a cos nt plus alpha, is a complete solution. Is what it is called as complete solution of differential equation d square x upon dt square plus n square x, which is equal to 0. Is it clear? So what is the condition to get a general or complete solution? Number of variables should be equal to order of differential equation, right? Okay. Now we will talk of particular solution. Now, particular solution you get by assigning particular value to arbitrary constants. For example, in this equation, let's say if alpha is equal to pi by 4, so what will be value of x? X will be equal to, x is equal to a cos nt plus pi by 4. क्या किया है मैंने? एक वैल्यू असाइन की है. किसको? अल्फा. वाई अल्फा? अल्फा इज आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट. वी आर ऑलरेडी सीन दिस. ओके. तो अगर मैंने कुछ अल्फा की वैल्यू कुछ भी ले सकती, पाई बाय 2, पाई बाय 4, सपोज मैंने पाई बाय 4 ली, मैंने असाइन किया है एक पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू टू व्हाट? आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट. इन सच केस x is equal to a cos nt plus pi by 4 is a particular solution. It is what? It is particular solution of differential equation d square x upon dt square plus n square x, which is equal to 0. So I hope with this it is clear what do you mean by a differential equation and what are its type. So there are two types: complete solution or particular solution. Okay, so hope with this it is clear what do you mean by solution of differential equation. Now there are different methods to find solution of differential equation. So we are going to study four methods. First method is equations where variables are separable. This is the first method we are going to start with in the next video. Second method is homogeneous equations. The third one is linear equations, and fourth one is exact equations. Okay, so there are different methods to find a solution of this type of equations. Okay, there can be equation where variables can be separable. That means you can bring all the x term to the LHS and all the y terms to the RHS. Okay, you can separate the variables. Then homogeneous equation means where degree of numerator and denominator, it will be same. Okay, we'll see in detail, don't worry. Then linear equation and then exact equations. Okay, linear equation means what? Linear means what? Where order and degree, it will be equal to 1. That means these will be equations involving dy by dx terms only. Okay, an exact equation means which are exact differentiable. Okay, so from now onwards we will take one by one this type of equation, and we are going to see what are the methods to find solution of such type of differential equations, right? So hope you have cleared with this that what are different types of solutions of differential equation. Okay, complete and particular, right? Okay, so thank you.